Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of investing with a surprisingly accessible entry point, just $100. You might think that investing is only for those who have piles of cash, but that couldn't be further from the truth. It's time to shatter that myth and show you that even with a humble starting amount, you can lay the foundation for your financial future. Imagine standing at the edge of a beautiful garden, just waiting for the seed of your investment to sprout and grow into something magnificent. Every great investor started somewhere, and today we'll guide you on how to do just that, transforming your $100 into a path toward financial empowerment. So, whether you're saving for a vacation, aiming for a major life goal, or simply curious about turning your money into more money, stick around. Because investing is not just about wealth, it's about creating opportunities and choices for a better future. Let's get started. Before we dive into how to invest your first $100, it's crucial to understand what investing actually means. At its core, investing is the act of putting your money into something with the expectation of earning a profit or gaining value over time. It's a way of making your money work for you rather than sitting idle in a bank account where inflation could slowly erode its value. Imagine planting a small seed. With the right care and nurturing, it can grow into a flourishing tree, providing shade, fruit, and beauty. Just like that seed, your investment has the potential to grow and thrive if nurtured properly. Start by familiarizing yourself with different types of investments. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are the most common ones. Each has its own characteristics and risk levels. One of the most engaging things about investing is that it can be as simple or as complex as you choose to make it. For new investors, the aim is to find the right balance between understanding the basics, assessing your risk tolerance, and setting achievable goals. The beauty of starting with $100 is that it allows you to learn the ropes without significant financial risk. Think of it as a practice run to build your confidence and skills. In terms of the mindset, remember that investing is a long-term game. You are not looking for a quick dollar, but rather a way to grow your financial garden over time. Cultivating patience is key. Like waiting for a seed to sprout, your returns may not appear overnight, but with diligence, they will come. Now, let's talk about setting clear goals. Just like a gardener needs to know what they want to grow, be it flowers, vegetables, or trees, you need to know your investment objectives. Ask yourself, what are you hoping to achieve with your $100? Are you saving for a trip, a new gadget, or a rainy day? Or perhaps you aim to build wealth over time. Each of these goals will influence how you invest. Let's encapsulate this with a story. Picture Sarah, who with her $100 dreams of taking a long overdue European vacation. She knows she needs to be strategic about her investment, as her heart yearns for trips abroad, not just her money sitting intact. Sarah decides to research platforms that allow fractional shares in stocks, giving her access to high-performing companies she admires. With a window of 2 years until her trip, she's contending with steady growth investments. On the flip side, consider Tom, who simply wants an emergency fund for life's unexpected hiccups. Instead of opting for riskier stocks, he decides to invest in a high-yield savings account or a short-term bond fund. They both started with $100, but their unique goals shaped their strategies. That's the power of tailoring your investments to your specific aspirations. By clarifying what you want, you create a roadmap, illustrating the route toward your financial destination. Remember, goals are not just about the destination, they're about your journey too, helping keep you motivated through the ups and downs of investing. With your goals etched clearly in mind, it's time to select the right investment platform. In today's digital world, there are countless options available, from traditional brokerages to mobile apps that make investing more accessible than ever. Think about it like picking a vehicle for your journey. You wouldn't choose just any car. You'd want one that suits your driving needs. Some platforms, such as Robinhood or Webull, allow you to trade stocks with zero commissions, making them excellent starter platforms for young investors. Others, like Acorns or Stash, help you invest spare change, automatically rounding up your transactions and investing the difference. Imagine placing an order for a coffee, only to see that each sip contributes to your investment portfolio. How satisfying is that? Before committing your $100, consider factors such as fees, user-friendliness, available investment options, and educational resources. Each platform has its own set of tools and features, so explore what works best for you. Don't shy away from trying out a few platforms. Just like test driving cars, you can get a feel for what suits you and help support your investment journey. In this process, keep in mind the importance of security. Look for platforms that offer robust security measures, such as two-factor authentication, to keep your information safe. After all, no one wants to be on a journey without feeling secure, both physically and financially. Once you have your platform set up, it's crucial to talk about diversification. Think of a meal with different ingredients. A well-prepared dish balances flavors and textures, just like a diversified investment portfolio balances risk and growth potential. By spreading your $100 across various assets, you reduce the risk of losing money on a single investment. For instance, if you decide to buy shares in a tech company, consider also investing in a bond fund or an ETF that tracks a broader market index. This way, you're not putting all your apples in one basket. If the tech sector experiences a downturn, your other investments can cushion the blow. Just like the goose that lays golden eggs, it's about having multiple sources of income that work together. An example could be Melissa, who, with her $100, feels inspired by environmental sustainability. She diversifies by investing in a green tech startup, a broad market index fund, and even a bond fund. In doing so, she capitalizes on both her passion and the possibility of earning from various markets. By creating a well-rounded investment foundation, Melissa can sit back and watch her investments bloom. Remember, diversification doesn't mean you need to stretch your funds too thin. Even with a small amount, a balanced approach across a few well-chosen instruments can add significant protection and growth potential, leading to increased financial confidence. Finally, investing is not a set-it-and-forget-it type of game. Continuous learning is key to fostering your growth as an investor. The financial landscape is ever-changing, and keeping a keen eye on market trends, company news, and emerging sectors can provide insights that may affect your investments. As a gardener must observe their plants, noticing signs of flourishing or wilting, you too should be vigilant about your investments. You might want to dedicate an hour each week to read articles, listen to investment podcasts, or even watch informative videos. Engaging with communities like online forums or social media groups can provide additional insights and experiences that enrich your understanding of various investment strategies. Every story heard and lesson learned adds a stitch to the fabric of your financial literacy. Consider a seasoned investor, John, who started with $100 and became fascinated by stock market dynamics. Instead of only focusing on his initial investments, he took it upon himself to familiarize with economic concepts, learning from both successes and failures. This adaptability allowed him to increase his investment base significantly over time. Your willingness to learn and adapt can be just as invaluable. Embrace the journey of becoming a lifelong learner. It's not just about money, but about growing your financial wisdom and learning how to navigate the landscape of opportunities ahead. As we reach the close of this investing odyssey, remember that starting your investment journey with $100 is only the first step toward financial trailblazing. You've not only discovered how to plant seeds of wealth, but also learned the importance of patience, learning, and adaptability. Investing is a path lined with possibilities, each step bringing you closer to financial confidence and freedom. If you found value in today's content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop on more future financial insights and investment tips. Your journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning of a flourishing financial garden. So let's grow together. Share your new investment stories and goals in the comments below. Your voice matters, and we can all learn from one another. Here's to safe investments and rich harvests ahead.